Good morning, students. Welcome back to English classes. Today we will start from the second chapter, page number 10, sixth paragraph. Anil was asleep. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. I sat up on the floor, considering the situation. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. Slipping out of the blanket, I crept up to the bed. Anil was sleeping peacefully. His face was clear and unlined. Even I had more marks on my face, though mine were mostly scarce. So, in this paragraph, you can see that Hari is considering the situation. That means he is making the plan that how to rob the money. He is thinking that as now Anil is sleeping, so it is the best time to utilize that he will rob the money, he will take the money and catch 10:30 express and he will run from the way. Crept means to move. You can see here in this picture, Hari is creeping, he is crawling towards the Anil's bed. One more thing you can see that here Hari is saying even I had more marks on my face. The reason Hari is having more marks and Anil's face was clear and unlined. This was because these marks were of fear. These marks were of tension that Hari was having now. My hand slid under the mattress, searching for the notes. When I found them, I drew them out without a sound. Anil shied in his sleep and turned on his side towards me. I was startled, means afraid, and quickly crawled out of the room. So you can see here in this paragraph that Hari had made a successful attempt in taking the money which was under the mattress, and now he was going and moving out of the room. When I was on the road, I began to run. I had the notes at my waist, held there by string of my pajama. I slowed down to walk and counted the notes. 600 rupees in 50s. I could live like an oil-rich Arab for a week or two. So you can see that in this paragraph, Hari had kept the money in his pajama. It was a traditional way of keeping money secretly. And when he counted the money, it was 600 rupees. That means total amount was 600 and all 50 notes. So what Hari is thinking that with this 600 rupees he can live like an oil rich Arab. Oil rich Arab means Arab is a place that is basically referred to Middle East. And oil rich, you can see that sometime you might have seen that the sheikhs wearing white kurtas full length and having turbans on their head. They were quite rich peoples of the Middle East. So right now a thief Hari is comparing himself to an oil rich Arab. When I reached the station, I did not stop at the ticket office. I had never bought a ticket in my life, but dashed straight to the platform. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. The train had still to pick up the speed, and I should have been able to jump into one of the carriage, but I hesitated for some reason. I can't explain, and I lost the chance to get away. So, as we had seen that Hari is a thief, he is a dishonest man. So he says that in his life he had traveled in the train several times, but he never purchases ticket. So he just reached the station and he felt that the purchasing ticket is not necessary. So he dashed. That means he rushed straight to the platform. When he reached the platform, he had seen that the Lucknow Express had started to move, but it was still in a very less speed. He was probably sure that he can catch the train, but for some reason that he cannot explain, he was not able to catch the train. I hope you all understood that. What was the reason that he had not able to catch the train? It was feeling of guilt. We had seen that the Hari was not able to catch the train. Now we will see what he did. When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on deserted platform. Deserted means alone, isolated. I had no idea where to spend the night. I had no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than help, and I did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one of the small hotels near the railway station. The only person I knew really well was a man I had robbed. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. So, when the train had left, Hari felt that he was standing in a isolated station. He was not able to understand that where to move. We had already seen that Hari is a person who changes his name every month. He was having no friends, he was having no relative, he was having no parents. So he was totally confused that where to go. Then when he thought that he have no friends relative to go, then he was thinking for the second option, that he can stay in some of the lodges or hotel. But again he felt very curious. He was curious because he was having some guilt. He was thinking that if he will stay in some of the hotels, someone will doubt that he was a thief and he may call a police. So he was not having a courage to even go to a hotel or a lodge. So he started moving towards the bazaar. In my short career as a thief, I had made a study of men's face when they had lost their goods. The greedy man showed fear, the rich man showed anger, the poor man showed acceptance. But I knew that Anil's face, when he discovered the theft, would show only a touch of sadness, not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust. You can see here that Hari is full of guilt. He was feeling very bad that he had stolen a money from a right person. Anil, sorry, Hari says that in his career of theft, he had seen that the greedy man showed fear. That means अगर एक लालची आदमी का कुछ चीज़ गुम हो जाता है तो वो घबरा जाता है, और अगर एक रिच अमीर आदमी का कुछ सामान घूमता है उसे बहुत गुस्सा आता है, और एक पुअर मैन, एक गरीब इंसान का अगर कुछ सामान चोरी हो जाता है तो वो उस बात को स्वीकार कर लेता है कि उससे सामान दूर हो चुका है. बट ही सेज द कंडीशन ऑफ अनिल will be that he will be very sad because of loss of trust, not because loss of money. Because we had seen Hari says that Anil is a careless fellow. He never think or never panic about money. The only thing that matters him was his honest life, was his trust. So just anyhow Hari had robbed money from Anil's house, but Hari was totally dissatisfied. He was feeling very guilty for it. I found myself in Maidan and sat down on a bench. The night was chilly, it was early November, and a light drizzle. Drizzle means बूंदाबंदी, जो छोटी मतलब छोटा सा बरसात होता है ना, added to my discomfort. Soon it was raining quite heavily. My shirt and pajamas stuck to my skin, and a cold wind blew the rain across my face. So, again, a story has a different kind of setting. Even you might see in some of the movies, during the climax scene or a best scene, even the climate becomes very adverse. It started to thunder, it started to rain. So, in the same way, Hari is saying that although it was November is not basically a rainy season, but anyhow a rain started in November. So Hari says that he became wet in the rain. From page number 12 that we will do in our next video.